What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. Welcome to the Stock Goat YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be covering the SoFi stock. And guys, things are really starting to heat up. The SoFi stock, day in and day out, continues to hit new 52-week highs heading into this Q3 earnings report, which is going to be a massive earnings report because they're going to hit 4 quarters in a row of GAAP profitability, and you are going to see institutions all across the board continue to pile in because the company is finally making a shift from unprofitable, crazy growth, SPAC days to a superior growth, profitable fintech, guys. And I'm telling you right now, it doesn't matter what the stock is at because it's going to go a lot higher. The reason why it is going to go a lot higher is because the company has had 3 years in a row of perfect execution, triple beat raises, and the stock did absolutely nothing but continue to bounce around $5, $6, $7 range for 2 years straight. Everything is going to slingshot all at once. I've been continuing to say this again and again and again, and people just don't want to listen. I continue to see the comments week in and week out. Going back just a couple of months ago, the stock's going to finish this year at $10. The stock's going to finish this year at $10.50. Nobody knows what they're talking about, okay? The shorts are about to get squeezed out of their mind. The short interest is still at the levels of 16 to 17%, from highs of 19%. These guys are about to get creamed because they didn't get out in time. They didn't listen to macro. They didn't watch the interest rate cuts. They didn't listen to what Anthony Noto was telegraphing with the 2026 guidance. Guys, we are about to go on a moon launch to I don't even know where, guys. We're going to get lost at the moon. We have 2 trading days left, Friday and Monday, pre-market Tuesday. Get ready, guys. And this video is going to be absolutely amazing. I'm telling you right now, institutions are loading up even before this earnings came out. We're continuing to see indexes get rebalanced into the positive. Everything is looking extremely good. Be sure to smash the like button. Let's try and get the video to 1,500 likes, a new high, and see what the YouTube algorithm is going to do. More and more people are going to see this video. Be sure to drop a comment. I'm going to be commenting back to as many people as I can. What do you think this stock's going to hit next week on Tuesday? I think it's going to be a $14 stock potentially in November, guys. And November is not that far away. We're talking a week. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's get into the video. All right, guys, take a look. The SoFi stock is up 4.8% up on the day. We did have earlier highs around 8%. So just a slight pullback, guys. The dip buyers continuing to come in left and right. Take a look at the volume. 71 million volume, boy. Oh my goodness. Before earnings report, average volume 43 million, 30 million in the plus. You love to see it. Take a look at the indexes, guys. This is what we've seen day in and day out, either a red day or a flat day. S&P 500, 0.21, Dow, red. NASDAQ did a little better. Russell 2000 basically flat. We continue to beat these indexes because our company is undervalued compared to where the overall market is. Guys, this is an extremely overvalued market right now, and I'm not even playing. Just take a look at companies like McDonald's and Walmart. These companies are trading at 30 and 40 times PE ratio. I mean, these companies are barely growing. We're talking 40x PE ratios. I don't even want to tell you how high the PE ratio on SoFi is going to go when they hit 4 quarters of profitability, guys. I mean, this could be a long-term, easily a company trading at, 40, 50 times. Guys, the margins are going to be out of this world. If you think we're going to trade at 15 times like a legacy bank, sell the stock. Don't ever come back ever again because you are living in fantasy land of what this company is about to do for the next couple of years, heading our way. This company will never trade anywhere near a 15 times when we get our full year profitability. If you continue to doubt me and you continue to doubt this stock, try and short it and see what's going to happen. All right, guys, this is very important. I'm calling out Anthony Noto. You can take a look on my Twitter, guys. I'm putting the pressure on Anthony Noto. You can go to this Twitter post. You can drop a comment. You can favorite it. You can retweet it. Let's try and get this, put out there in the open just so Anthony Noto can feel the hype, feel the pressure, because the dude likes to perform under hard circumstances. So let's give him a little bit of pressure because he did say something which I give him, props for. Hey, Noto, you got your 50 BPS cut. No more sandbagging for Q4. It's time to end the shorts here. It's time to get paid. Let's see what this company can really do. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. You can already see we got 14 comments on that. And guys, Anthony Noto is an extremely smart dude. And he's been doing it right, just gradually, increasing guidance. sandbagging a lot, and he said it's because, hey, we're not getting paid. So understand, the stock wasn't moving up from their performance, so why is he going to take the risk to increase guidance even further when we're not getting paid for what we're doing? So I said, if SoFi likes hard challenges, let's make Q4 a little bit harder. Give the street, Wall Street, something they can't resist. Time now, with 4 quarters in a row of profitability, it's time to bring us up to $18 per share, and S&P 500 is here, guys. So Anthony Noto, it's time to not sandbag. Let's give a Q4 extremely strong guidance. Get all the investors up to $18. We're going to be heading into the S&P 500. Guys, if you get 4 quarters in a row of gap profitability and your stock maintains an 18 for a amount of time, we're going to be heading into the S&P 500. You're going to see institutions all across the world pile into the SoFi stock. We're going to go way, way higher heading into that 2026 year, potentially, $1 billion of net income profitability, guys. So be sure to smash the like button on this, retweet at Anthony Noto, and, tell him what you're thinking, because this channel is going to get right to him and he's going to see exactly what we're all thinking. So drop a comment, retweet it. This is very important, guys. I think Anthony Noto, really needs to put the pressure on the shorts heading into that Q4 guidance. All right, guys, take a look. It's not even earnings. And look, guys, the institutions are already piling in. We have breaking news. SCHX, go take a look at it. Take a look at this index. Schwab US Large Cap ETF increases ownership by 11.76%. Total shares, 945,927. So you can see these indexes are starting to get rebalanced into the positive. This is a Charles Schwab here. Breaking news, we have another one, SCHV. Take a look. This is an accurate index. Charles Schwab US Large Cap Value ETF increased ownership by 9.76%. 531,000 shares, guys. Very, very solid ads you can see coming in. These are different indexes. And you can see breaking news, SCHM Charles Schwab US Mid Cap ETF increases ownership by 7.69%. Total shares, 2.8 million shares. This is a big, total ad right now coming in for, the SCHM. So take a look, guys. You're going to continue to see this. You're already seeing this prior to earnings. What do you think is going to happen once the earnings comes in? I'm telling you right now, you're going to see institutional ownership jump from 44% to potentially 50 to 55% or higher. That's my predictions. And yes, guys, what you just looked at was, institution, index, rebalancing, whatever. Charles Schwab, take a look at this. This is what the whales institutions are coming in at. I said, breaking news, here they come. Davenport & Co. LLC increases ownership by 3,657%. That means these guys went from like freaking a couple thousand shares to 2 million shares plus, guys. This is literally what we want to see continue to happen with institutions all across the world, guys. So a 3,600% increase. This is just the beginning, guys. I'm telling you right now, we've been following the company. The company has executed the past 3 years. Everything was going to slingshot at once. It's already happening. You're seeing the Fortress deal. People want to hop on our loan platform. $2 billion, capital light. These deals are going to continue to happen. You're going to see SoFi continue to grow every single segment across the board, and these lower interest rates are going to accelerate Galileo. I potentially think, Galileo can get into the 25-30% range when we get around that 2025, 2026 year because of the lag they've had because of, higher interest rates. So, guys, things are looking great all across the board. You can see what's going on with the stock, 52-week highs. You can see what's going on with the institutions. They continue to increase. You can see what's happening with the indexes. They continue to increase. Short interest has not gone anywhere. It is still massively high. And guys, we got 2 trading days left heading into the earnings. I'm telling you right now, this stock has a lot of room to run. If you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoy doing these videos for you. Be sure to smash the like button, drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be keeping you updated daily. Let's try and get the channel past 20,000 subscribers. We got 2 trading days left to the SoFi earnings. Once again, my name is Kyle. Hope you have a great day.